Hey guys, welcome back to a new video, and today I'm going to do an unboxing and review of the GAN Air and I'm really excited of this cube, and yeah, let's get started. And yeah, this is the GAN box version 2, and it's pretty nice. I like the texture of it, and these are like a bunch of like VIP cards for this, and these are the stickers for the GAN cube. And this two corner piece and edge piece it's magnetic and it's really cool. And now let's get on to the main thing, which is the cube. And yeah, this is a cube. It looks really cool, and yeah. And these are the 7 sets of GS spring components. And let's look at the cube now. And this cube looks really cool, and I like the shade of it, the full bright stickers. And let's try it. And yeah, let's do a few turns. When you fast turn, you can't really feel the magnets, but you start turn slowly, you can feel the magnets like clicking in place and like bumpy. You can see like it snaps in place. And the corner cutting is really good. It's so good. You can cut over 45 degrees. And the reverse corner cut is also really good. And yeah, I like the feeling of this cube. It's really nice and smooth. And yeah, let's do a couple of solves. This cube is really nice. I like this feeling. And let's do one more solve. And yeah, I really like this cube and the feeling of it. And the magnet is like, you can feel it, like kind of like feel it. And I do really like this feeling of this cube, and it's really smooth, as you can see. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to buy this cube, there's a link in the description and you can check it out. And yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you guys like it, and remember to subscribe to my channel. And yeah, that's all. Bye.